it's Vic here, and today we're back with another Animal Kingdom attraction. Since we did Dinosaur and Expedition Everest, we have another one, and it's Cali River Rapids. But in real life, the ride is undergoing a refurbishment, which sucks, because I think it would be fun to ride it sometimes. And Fast Pass is unavailable. Well, let's get that out of the way, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Where are we going this time in Animal Kingdom? We're going to the Cali River Rapids. You guys are water ride fanatics. You went on Jurassic Park, and now it's a water ride. That's all? But you got so. This will be fun. This is my first time on a raft ride. You didn't get to go on that Popeye ride at Universal when you two went on the Jurassic Park ride. I know, right? It's been a very long time since we've been on a water ride. Yeah, that's why we like to go together on water rides, Spongebob. Probably this is Squidward's first time on this. This is all of us, and it's our first time on this. I know, right? Alright. So, when are we gonna get to the boats? Because this is taking a while. Oh, this looks beautiful. I know, right, SpongeBob? Oh, what's that? Oh no, is there a chainsaw massacre on the loose? This is just terrifying me. I think it's illegal logging. Oh yeah, those people who destroy forests just to make money? Yeah, something like that. Where are we now? When is the chainsaw sound gonna stop? Don't worry, Squidward, it'll stop quick. But look at all these artifacts. We have a cobra fountain. No. At least this place is beautiful. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go on the boat. Or raft. It's a raft, not a boat. I'm talking about the Jurassic Park ride.
Good luck, my friends. To make sure your expedition is a safe one, stay seated in your seatbelt fasten.
Alright, here we go. Oh boy, I'm ready to get wet. First time on the Cali River Rapids. We're almost at the lift hill. Alright, we're going up. Woohoo! Ah! Now we're going up the lift hill to the forest that has illegal logging. because of those chainsaw sounds. Yeah, those terrified me when I was waiting in the queue line. Glad it's over. Don't worry, Squidward. You don't know who caused the chainsaw sounds. Right now, we're about to get wet. Oh yeah, we're almost at the top. Please don't be like those log flumes. Like you go straight down or just do a turn. I've never been. Alright, here we go. Oh, we're gonna get wet. Remember, we didn't get wet. At least this is kind of relaxing. I know, right? Squidward? This is even more relaxing than the dinosaur ride that almost gave us nightmares. At least it was even better than the Stitch ride. Yep. Oh, I see a temple, which I don't know what it is. But we're just going through a jungle. Oh no. You were right, Spongebob. It was illegal logging. Oh boy. It looks like a bunch of beavers set off a nuke and destroyed their whole entire dam. Oh, what's that? I don't know. Oh, not the drop. Get ready. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh, I got wet. We all did. Yeah. Me too. Oh my gosh. We all got soaked. Oh, that's over. I think it is. Maybe it's another wet part. Oh, now we're going to tunnel. Ah, I think I found a drop of water. Ah! Wah! Oh my gosh, that almost got me. Almost got us. Oh my. You know, it's just a relaxing little raft ride. Yeah, I'm trying to wait for a wet part. So, ride's over. Oh, that was pretty short. No, but it was actually kind of fun. Yeah, mostly it was supposed to be a peaceful little raft ride that takes you into Lego logging and then drops you and you get wet. Alright. Let me turn off the video camera.